How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Instagram app, and once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in top right corner of the screen. And from there, simply tap on the rewrite icon at the top right corner of the screen. And from there, tap on create a broadcast channel and tap on get started. Now on this new page, you need to enter the name of your channel, choose your audience, set a end date if you want your channel to expire, and decide whether to display your channel on your profile or not. And once you're done with everything, you can simply tap on create broadcast channel at the bottom. But remember, to be able to create a broadcast channel, you should convert your personal account into the professional account and get verified on that. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.